Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Patreon's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Patreon application. The homepage of Patreon application will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Patreon's account using your email, Google or Facebook account as well. Choose any one of the options. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Tap on Continue with Google. On the next page, enter your name and click on Continue once again. This is how you can sign up for your Patreon's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.